how ungrateful Israelites were. Allah gave him cooked food, but they were ungrateful. Allah Jal Jalaluhu say in the Holy Quran, وَإِذْ قُلْتُمْ يَا مُوسَى لَن نَّصْبِرَ عَلَى طَعَامٍ وَاحِدٍ فَادْعُ لَنَا رَبَّكَ يُخْرِجْ لَنَا مِمَّا تُنبِتُ الْأَرْضُ مِنْ بَقْلِهَا وَقِثَّائِهَا وَفُومِهَا وَعَدَسِهَا وَبَصَلِهَا قال أتستبدلون الذي هو أدنى بالذي هو خير اهبطوا مصرا فإن لكم ما سألتم وضربت عليهم الذلة والمسكنة وباءوا بغضب من الله ذلك بأنهم كانوا يكفرون بآيات الله ويقتلون النبيين بغير الحق ذلك بما عصوا وكانوا يعتدون. I remember the time when you said to Musa that this one kind food is not enough for us. You asked your Lord to give for us onion, cucumber, lentil, beans, potato, tomato, nuts in it, etc. Musa said to you that you asked for something of low values, so you went to a city. What do you want to will be found there? As a result, these people become angry with Allah. Allah is very merciful. Allah is very gracious.